Hello everyone. If you are planning to take the graduate record examination or GRE for your graduate school applications, we have got some great news for you. As of September 2023, the Educational Testing Service or ETS has made some significant changes to the GRE to make it more test taker friendly. Now in today's video, we will cover what has changed, what has stayed the same, and how all this affects your GRE prep. So let's dive in. The biggest change which has happened is the time. The time is reduced now. The older GRE was a marathon, clocking in at 3 hours and 45 minutes. But the new GRE is just is a sprint at just 1 hour and 58 minutes. That's right. It has been cut almost in half. So you might be thinking, did they cut a bunch of content because of all this? And the good news is they did not. The GRE still tests the same skills: verbal reasoning, quantitative reasoning, critical thinking, and analytical writing. What they did change is the structure of the test. And here is what got the axe from them. The argument essay is gone. You do not have experimental section now. And you can also say goodbye to that 10-minute breaks in between the sections. And they also trimmed down some sections. Like quant sections, they have reduced from 40 to 27. Verbal questions also down from 40 to 27. So your new GRE day looks like this. You have 30 minutes for the issue-based essay, 47 minutes for 27 quant questions, 41 minutes for 27 verbal questions. Hence, the total time is just under 2 hours. It is now the shortest graduate admission test out there. But then wait. Are you thinking that will the schools still accept these scores? So absolutely yes. The GREs are still accepted by thousands of grad schools worldwide for their various programs. And here is the kicker. The scoring scale has not changed. So a 160 on the GRE means the same as 160 on the older one. And the one more major significant change what the ETS has done, that it has speed up the score delivery. So you will get your scores in 8 to 10 days now instead of 10 to 15 days. So what does that mean for you? Faster score means meeting the tight application deadlines is a bit easier now. The question is why the ETS is making all these changes. So the ETS response was they wanted to maintain the rigor of the test while improving the test taker experience. It's all about making the GRE more accessible without compromising its validity. Okay, now what does all this mean for your GRE prep? So here is the tip. Focus on quality rather than quantity because you have now fewer questions. So each question carries more weight. Hence it makes sense that you should be very much particular about each and every question. So what you need to do that you should be preparing not only with the right strategy but with the right approach. What I mean to say by that. So while you are practicing the question, ensure that you should be knowing that why you got the particular question correct. What was the strategy you used because of which you were able to reduce the time on that particular question, or why you got the particular question wrong, whether it was a conceptual mistake or it is a silly mistake or the calculation mistake or reading the question wrong, or it was just that you entered the answer wrong in the system, right? So you need to be mindful about all these mistakes, and so that next time you should not be repeating the same mistakes again. And also remember that use the right preparation material, that is the official material, right? And ETS has launched the 2024 official guides. So please make sure that you go and purchase the 2024 material. Okay, and the other thing which you need to remember, that though the structure has changed but the content has not changed. So there are many good books out there, for example Manhattan, right? You can still make use of those books. They are still very much relatable. To wrap up, the GRE is now under 2 hours. Same content, just fewer questions. Scores mean the same as before. So prep smart, not just long. That's it for today. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more such test prep tips. Good luck on your shorter but still mighty GRE. See you the next time.